Hi, my name is Mark Brettnacher. I'm the Plant Service Director for Loma Linda Academy. We've been partnering with OctoClean for, I think we're going on 10 years at this point. When you have over 1,000 students at your school, the school gets dirty. And so a lot of things can happen. You want to make sure that all the trash is picked up. You want to make sure that all the surfaces are wiped down, given, especially now at this time with COVID, and making sure that everything is sanitary and smells good, looks nice. And we want our school to do that. OctoClean being a long-term partner has been a great thing for us. Having to change cleaning service on a facility with over 300,000 square feet is a lot of work. And so I appreciate their attentiveness. They're willing to change their schedules at the drop of a hat because we're a school and things are changing very quickly. And so it's just, we appreciate their willingness to change as we change. One of the things that kind of impressed me in the beginning too was that the idea of telling franchise owners that they're not just janitors, they're business owners. And I thought that was a great thing to push and let them know that they're not just the janitors, And it's so important for janitorial service. I tell this to my student workers who pick up trash every day. If you don't show up, this is a mess. And you're very important to us. I mean, extremely important to us. Anybody that picks up the trash or takes care of an area, they're number one on my list. They're the ones that start the day. We go into a classroom, the day has started, and it's because of them that we go in there. We just feel like, oh wow, this has been nice. It's still nice, And it goes kind of unseen, but to me, I see it all the time. I see it, and so I appreciate them very much.